would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
난 오늘 뭐해? 왜 끝난 후에 난 말해 뭐해? 늘 그렇게 아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래? 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야. We'll be back. 멀리 날아오르자. Don't worry. I'll be by your side. 인생의 신변아. Oh, let it breathe, let it breathe. Just be yourself. 너를 위한 달콤한 시간. Yeah, say. 어릴 적을 회상해보면 그리워져. 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야. 이렇군 저렇군. We had no idea back then. When was the last time you had no worry? 순수했던 내 행복을 찾아 떠나보자. 인생의 신변아. Oh, let it breathe, let it breathe. 상상해보면 그리워져 문득 떠오르는 나 때는 말야 이러쿵저러쿵 We had no idea back then. When was the last time you had no worry? 순수했던 내 행복을 찾아 떠나보자. 인생의 신변화 Oh, let it breathe, just be yourself. 너를 위한 달콤한 시간. Yeah. 마음의 가방을 챙겨가.
ということで、今回はお部屋の模様替えの様子をお送りしました。いかがだったでしょうか？実は私ずっとルームメイクオーバーの動画に憧れていて、今回勇気を出して撮影してみたんですが、なかなかね、部屋の全体像を映すっていうのが難しくって、ちょっとね、うまくお伝えできなかったところが多々あるんじゃないかなと思ってはいるんですが、ずっとね、憧れていた動画を撮ることができて、個人的にはね、良かったなと思います。今後も収納方法だったり、ルームツアーやデスクツアーの動画なども出せたらいいなと思っているので、そちらもお付き合いいただけると嬉しいです。それでは、最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございました。へー、こんなアイテムあるんだとか、B の収納力すごいんじゃないなんて思ってくださった方はチャンネル登録や高評価などしていただけるととても嬉しいです。また次回の動画でお会いしましょう。ありがとうございました。
넌 오늘 뭐해? 발끈한 후회